Could our universe be just one fleeting chapter in an endless cosmic saga? Have you ever wondered what a version of you would do on a different galaxy or universe, breathing freely outdoors somewhere else? The James Webb Space Telescope has pulled back a veil and revealed a vision so strange, so impossible, that it threatens to upend everything we thought we knew about existence itself. Galaxies far older, far larger, far more evolved than our models ever predicted, shining from an age when the cosmos was still an infant, figuratively on crawling stages, and now whispers of something greater, that perhaps what we were taught about our Big Bang Theory was not a beginning, but only a continuation. When JWST trained its unblinking eye near the constellation of the Big Dipper, it detected faint, ancient light that had been traveling for over 13 billion years. These flickers belonged to galaxies that emerged a mere 500 million years after the Big Bang. Yet they were already colossal, rivaling the size of our Milky Way. According to the laws of physics as we understand them, such rapid growth should not have been possible. Scientists have dubbed them universe breakers, for in their silent glow, they shatter the foundations of cosmology. For decades, scientists relied on the Hubble constant, a number describing how quickly the universe is expanding. In theory, that number should be consistent, but observation tells another story. One method yields 67 kilometers per second per megaparsec. Another gives 73 kilometers per second. Webb's findings confirm the mismatch, deepening the mystery. What if this isn't a flaw in measurement? What if it is reality itself, revealing a hidden truth? Some scientists now whisper a radical thought. What we see as cosmic expansion may not be expansion at all, but the stretching, colliding, and merging of universes themselves, eternal motion, immense growth, and non-regression. Imagine inflation, the blistering burst of growth after the Big Bang, not as a random spark, but as the collision of worlds. Our universe absorbed into a parent cosmos, swelling, expanding, fusing with domains beyond comprehension. Mathematical models reveal something extraordinary. Under this multiverse merging scenario, the numbers match better than the standard model ever did. What was once dismissed as fringe speculation now fits more snugly into the puzzle of reality. Perhaps we are not alone, not even at the scale of universes. Perhaps we are but one bubble adrift in an endless frothing sea. To understand the weight of Webb's discoveries, we must journey back into the cosmic dark ages. Before stars, before galaxies, the universe was wrapped in thick hydrogen fog. No light could escape. Then, a spark. The first stars ignited, carving glowing bubbles of clarity. Scientists believed this reionization began 300 million years after the Big Bang. But Webb found something that defied all expectation. A galaxy known as JWST 11, already glowing with fierce ultraviolet radiation only 330 million years after the dawn. Its light carved a bubble of cleared hydrogen stretching 650,000 light-years across. This should not have happened so soon. And yet, there it is. Here lies the impossible. At that time, neutral hydrogen should have smothered ultraviolet light, yet this galaxy's radiation shone freely across the void. It wasn't supposed to exist. Enter Sir Roger Penrose, a Nobel laureate, daring enough to propose that the universe has no beginning, only cycles, death and renewal, expansion and collapse. What we call the Big Bang, he says, was not the birth of everything, but the rebirth of a cosmos long expired. At the heart of his theory are Hawking points, strange circular imprints within the cosmic microwave background, relics, perhaps, of black holes that evaporated in a universe before ours, energy from their death, carried forwards into the next age, etched into our skies like fingerprints from an ancient past. If Penrose is right, then we are not children of a singular creation. We are inheritors of endless generations of universes. The galaxies Webb reveals may not be first-generation stars at all, but echoes, seeded by energy from a cosmos long gone. Then, A spark. The first stars ignited, carving glowing bubbles of clarity. Scientists believed this reionization began 300 million years after the Big Bang. But Webb found something that defied all expectation. Therefore, it should not be surprising that the Big Bang ceases to be a beginning, our beginning. Instead, it is a bridge. New beginnings reveal passages from one eternal age to another stage. Every observation the James Webb Space Telescope delivers humbles us as humankind. What we once believed firm truth dissolves into mystery. Maybe that is the universe's true lesson, that certainty is fleeting, but wonder endures. Join me on this voyage of infinite exploration and adventure. Perhaps the night sky is not simply a window to our past, but a mirror reflecting countless worlds before us. And maybe, just maybe, when we look long enough, we will see not only where we came from, but where eternity leads. In the end, standing at the frontier of knowledge, we realize that curiosity is our compass and wonder is our guide. The cosmos stretches on, eternal and inscrutable, and we are privileged to be its witnesses. So many portals and options to embark on a timeless path. Each revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope is a reminder the universe is alive, expanding/contracting, mysterious, and waiting to be explored, even if not necessarily completely understood. And as we continue this journey, one thing is certain: we have only just begun to scratch the surface of the infinite voyage. Join me in this adventure.